Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this type of table runner. It's super easy for beginner. I use 3 colors here, so I'll use 3 colors and show you how to do like this. This one you can do as long as you want. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, now I'll show you. I'm going to use 3 colors. Here I use red, white and maroon, but here not maroon but brown. This one I'm going to use peach, white and blue, 3 colors. This yarn weight, acrylic yarn 100% weight 40 gram. Okay, my needle, my yarn yoke, I'm going to use 3/0. Okay, now let's start. Okay, I'm going to start with peach. Actually we can pull it from inside. Do like this, pull it from inside. Okay, I'm going to start with magic ring. In the magic ring we are going to make 4 blocks. Now start with 3 chain, 1 2 3. Then we are going to make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, and again 3 double crochet, 2 chain, this is block pattern, so easy for beginner. 2 chain, again 3 double crochet. Okay, now we have 4 block here, pull it tight. Okay, now make another 2 chain, slip stitch with the first one like this. Okay, now we are going to make into this hole. Okay, so slip stitch till there. Okay, 3 chain. Okay, we are going to make 3 double crochet here, including the 3 chain here, 2 chain. Then we are going to make another 3 double crochet in the same 2 chain space. Okay, 2 chain. Then we are going to repeat this in 4 places in the 2 chain space. This is an easy pattern. So we are going to make 1 2 3 4. Okay, we have square pattern here. See here, 2 blocks, cluster stitch like that. 1 2 3 4, 2 chain, then slip stitch here with the okay, now we slip stitch. We are going to the chain space again from here, 3 chain. Then we are going to repeat this, 2 double crochet, 2 chain, okay, now 2 chain. In the 2 chain space, you see in between this 4 square here, we are going to make 3 double crochet. This is for beginners. Okay, we done one side. See, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet in this one. This is first block. Then we are going to the corner. We have 4 corners here. This one now first. Next round we will have 2. Then the third round you will have 3, like that. 3 blocks, 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks. Okay, once I complete this round I'll show you. Okay, look at this. We have this square. Okay, now in the 4 corner we are going to do the same thing, but in between these 2 chains here, now we have 1 block. So next round we will have 2 blocks. So when you need to go here, you just slip stitch, then make 3 chain to go up. Okay, for the next round. So 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet in each corner, and 2 chain. Now we are going to make the block here, 2 blocks. So we are going to repeat this. I'll repeat this like this. We'll go until 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 rows. Once I complete 11 rows, you can see 1, then here 2 blocks, here 3 blocks, here 4 5 6 7 8 9. If you want more also can, but I'm going to do around 11 rows here. Once I complete with the 11 rows, I'll show you how it comes out and how we are going to do this tree. Okay, this tree I'm going to show you how to go about. Okay, I completed. I finish 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 11 13 rows all together with the first 4, then 4 corner. Then after that we grow with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. If you want more also you can go more. So now I'm going to cut off the yarn. Okay, now I'm going to start with white yarn. This one, for this square, I almost finished one roll. Now I'm going to use the white yarn. Okay, I'm going to now skip. I'm going to skip one, 2. I'm going to skip these 2 blocks. Then I'm going to start from here. Three chain, then 2 double crochet, 2 chain. Now we are not going to make corners. So now we are going to make this corner and this corner. This corner and this corner we are not going to make it. So to chain, we are going to make this blocks cluster stitch. We skip 1 2 3, so we are going to skip the other side 1 2 3. So we are going to finish till here. Once I finish till here, I'll show you how we are going that side. Okay, I'm going to skip this 3 and this corner, so we will skip these 2 corners. We do one side, then the other side, the same thing. So now I completed till here. I'm going to make 3 chain, then extra 2 more chain. That is altogether is 5 chain. Then I'm going to make in the 2 chain space there 3 cluster, 3 double crochet, then 2 chain. I'm going to repeat this all over till here, then I'm going to make another 5 chain, go the other side. Okay, we are going to make it. Okay, at the end of this row we are going to make 2 chain, and here we are going to make 1 double crochet. Then we are going to make 3 chain, 2 double crochet in here, then 2 chain. We are going to repeat this. Okay, see, first we make 3 chain over here, then here we make 5 chain. Now we make 3 plus 2 5, then 3 chain. We are going back. So we are going to repeat this, repeat till the length you want, maybe 5 or 6 rows like this. Okay, I complete to see 8 rows here. So now I'm going to cut off the yarn here. So I'm going to skip like this. We are going to skip 3. Then from here I'm going to make another 8 round of different colors. So I'll continue doing until the length I required. So once I finish another 2 more colors, then we need to do in the other side too. Once I complete all this, now I'm going to use the blue color. Okay, now I'm going to start with different color. I'm going to use blue color. So I'm going to make 3 chain and 2 double crochet over here. So we'll do as like this, same as this. Skip 3, then we are going to, so repeat this as the length you required. Okay, okay, I've already finished crochet all the sides. See, 3 sides here, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. I start with peach, so I end up with peach. So it looks so beautiful. Okay, the yarn, all this yarn, just now we cut off, hide all this, the tail inside. Okay, that's all. I think you all can try also. It's super easy pattern. Okay, thank you for watching. Give me, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.